In this presentation, I have done investigation on confident interval of screen time on weekdays and on weekend. So let's go on formula. First I find the total screen time of a weekdays of CWE, GWE, SWE, and TWE. In which some x is equal to 1 is used to add the value in the same row across a different column. Then I have found the mean and standard error using a mean function and the same function. Then I have calculated the confident interval of a weekdays screen time, in which I assume 95% confident interval, so that the confidence level is 0.95, and these all are the basic formulas. So degree freedom is equal to n minus 1, in which df mods minus 1, and to find t value using a stat dot t dot ppf, which will get a critical value. And it is important for the margin of error. Now margin of error can be found from the product of t value and standard error. And then I have calculated the ci lower and ci upper. It's just formula such as mean screen time minus margin of error for ci lower, and mean screen time plus margin of error for ci upper. Then I have printed the mean of weekdays screen time and the confidence interval of weekdays screen time. The same so it is also the same for the weekend, but we need to replace the screen time of weekend from. So to calculate the confident interval of a weekend, it is same as a weekdays, but we have to replace the total screen time of weekdays to weekend, such as CWE, GWE, SWE, TWE. Then we have to find the mean and standard error using a mean function and same function. Now same as above, we need to find confident interval of weekdays. So to find the confident interval of a weekend, it is same as to find the so to find the confident interval of weekend, it is similar as a finding confident interval of weekdays, in which we have to replace weekdays from screen time of weekend, so the CW, the GW, SW, TW. Then we have to follow the similar step to calculating mean from mean function and same function, and calculating confident interval of weekend screen time, confident level is equal to 0.95. Now we have to find the degree of freedom t value and margin of error, which is t value into standard error. Then we have to calculate the ci lower using the formula, this formula. And at last I have printed the mean of weekend screen time and confident interval of weekend screen time, and these are the result. So from this we have find the mean weekdays screen 8.21, mean weekend screen time 11.08 hours. And this finding shows that average screen time of weekend is more than a weekdays, and the confident interval between the weekdays and weekend are relatively narrow, which estimate that mean screen time are accurate and reliable.